Write the electron configurations of phosphorus and chlorine using both spdf notation and orbital box diagrams. Describe the relationship between each atom's electron configuration and position in the periodic table. Okay, so this version of the periodic table kind of highlights the s, p, d, and f orbitals. So if we were to write down the electron configuration of phosphorus, it is found here, atomic number 15. To write the shorthand configuration, we would put the noble gas that comes before it in square brackets. So in this case, it is neon. And then we just kind of continue starting from sodium, writing 3s2. So because it is in row 3 and the block number is s, and then we just continue writing 3p123, 3p3. So up to the phosphorus. And let's do the same thing for chlorine. Chlorine is found here. So it would also be just neon, 3s2, 3p1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we need the orbital box diagrams. So I'm just going to draw this showing like the energy as well. So 3s is here. 3p is higher energy. And if we were to fill in the electrons, we would have 2 in the s orbital and then 3 in the 3p orbital. And similarly for chlorine, 3s would be down here and 3p would be up there. So there are 2 in the s orbital, and now we have 5 electrons in 3p. Okay, so notice that phosphorus has 3 valence electrons. Well, there are 5 in total, and chlorine has 7. So looking at the atom's electron configuration and its position in the periodic table, phosphorus has 5 valence electrons. And if we look at the periodic table or any periodic table, you'll see that it is in column 5 or period 5a. And the same thing for chlorine. There are 7 valence electrons, and it is found in period 7a. So that's something to help try to remember how many valence electrons there would be. And the junior tutor said the period of location in the periodic table corresponds to the valence shell's principal quantum number. Number of electrons correspond to the number of main group elements they are in. Phosphorus has 5 valence electrons and it is in the 5th main group. Chlorine has 7 and it is in the 7th main group. Yep, so this solution is correct.